and welcome back to Emkin Gardening. Today we're going to be planting up a Bobo Hydrangea. It's a pinnacle hydrangea from Proven Winners. This is more of a dwarf hydrangea shrub than what the Limelight might put out. This one actually only gets 3 feet tall by 4 feet wide. So a significantly smaller shrub than, let's say, the Limelight hydrangeas. However, they are similar in that they come out with a white bloom in the summertime, covers the whole plant with these delicate white blooms, almost puffy like, and then in the fall they turn into that cream pink and then hot pink, just like the Limelights do. So it's really nice to have when you don't necessarily have the space for, let's say, a Limelight hydrangea shrub and you need something smaller and more compact. This is perfect in a small space. So we're excited about this. It's a zone 3 to 8, so super winter hardy. Yeah, so winter hardy. It'll come back because it's so strong. Yeah. And another really great thing about the Bobo Hydrangea is fireworks. And another really great thing about the Bobo Hydrangea is that the stems are really strong. I don't know if you guys remember our smooth hydrangea that like flops, and we're having a really hard time trying to figure out how to get those stems nice and strong to support the blooms. This Bobo does not have that problem. The stems stay nice and strong and sturdy throughout the season, keeping it super upright, which is fantastic. No flopping whatsoever. So the Bobo also needs part sun to full sun. This is a part sun location, so, and as you can see, it's been doing fine, blooming in its nursery can. So we're going to get it in the ground. Come check out where it's going to be. So we're right in front of our shed. The Priscilla Supertunias are doing awesome. Right here is where the Bobo is going to go. Now this spot had a nice brick border that we did have to dismantle for this project just to begin. And it was filled in with little different white rocks. So we removed the rocks completely, and now there's a big giant hole. So when we plant our Bobo, we're going to put new soil down, then the biotone, plant it in, and then really tuck it in with more new soil. And then at the very end, we're going to put the landscaping, those white landscaping rocks, back on top, and then obviously make the nice brick border back there as well. And it's going to be a perfect location for it. It's going to only come up to about here and fill out that entire spot, because remember, it only gets 3 feet by 4 feet, which means 2 feet and 2 feet on either side. So it's going to be a nice and easy project, and we're really excited about having not just the nice white summer blooms, but having those hot pink little puffball blooms up against the white shed in the fall. It's going to look fantastic. All right, let's plant. loved how it turned out. We decided on going just the one row of the brick border around. We think it just showcased the Bobo Hydrangea a little bit better than having two stacked rows. Plus you can see the landscaping rocks a little bit better as well. So we just watered it in really well. I know. We watered it in really well, and I hope that it really loves its new home. So if you're curious about the Bobo Hydrangea, or if you have a smaller yard that might not accommodate one of the bigger hydrangeas, we highly suggest trying out the Bobo. It's a fantastic shrub, and you get all of the beautiful colors that you would with a limelight hydrangea, just in a more compact form with little puffball blooms instead. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, you can comment down below and subscribe to our channel for more gardening content.